Wanted to earn money from Clickbank, but you do not have any investment at all? This is the video for you. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concepts, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9 to 5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. Also, if you wanted to earn a full-time income from home, I have mentioned my most recommended system in the description box. You can use that link to join that system and be part of the program where you can earn full-time income and you can leave your 9 to 5 job. So let's start with today's video. In the first step, you need to select your niche. For that purpose, you should visit clickbank.com, and if you visit clickbank.com, if you do not have already an account, just click on create account. This is the information that you need to provide: personal information, banking information, and account information. It would hardly take you 10 to 15 minutes, but make sure you provide the right banking information, because using that information Clickbank will send you money. So once you finish with all this step, now let's move to the affiliate marketplace, because from here we can select our niche. These are different categories out there. You can select any category as your niche, but I generally recommend you to work on either e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, or parenting and families, because these are big niches and you can make tons of money. I personally prefer to work on e-business and e-marketing because I have a lot of knowledge, I have a lot of experience, I have also a deep interest in e-business and e-marketing. It is actually a make money niche. However, if you have knowledge about health and fitness, parenting and families, or even self-help, you can just use these niches and can start your journey from Clickbank. Let's suppose if I click on e-business and e-marketing, these are the products that are listed on e-business and e-marketing. You can just go through different pages to navigate around different products. Here is your filter, and you can sort your products using different parameters. I generally prefer to sort it using gravity. Gravity is the number which tells us that, let's suppose this is the gravity 87. It means that 87 affiliates are selling this product and are making money from this product. So these are the products that are included in e-business and e-marketing niche. So once you select your niche, your next task is to move to the youtube.com. This method is free. That's why I am recommending you to visit YouTube. Just create your account with the YouTube. Once you move to the YouTube, you will see a sign in button here, as I have already logged into the YouTube, so I am not seeing here. You need a Gmail account to get logged into your YouTube account. Once you create your Gmail account and you click on a sign in button in the YouTube, it will send to you a Gmail page where you can log into your YouTube account using your Gmail, because YouTube and Gmail both are the Google's product. Now you will see an icon like this. It is a KM, my channel name, but you will see an empty section here. Just click on that section, and you can click on your channel, or you may see a icon like create your YouTube channel. So once you click on that icon, they will ask you a section, a name of your channel. You have to provide your channel name, but make sure your channel name should be related to your niche. Let's suppose you have selected e-business and e-marketing niche, then your channel name should be related to e-business and e-marketing niche. As my niche is also e-business and e-marketing, and my channel is Khan Marketing. Khan is my name and marketing is related to the niche name. So once you have created your YouTube channel, it's time to start creating videos in your YouTube channel, because we are promoting and we are using a YouTube channel to promote our products and make money using affiliate marketing. So how you can create videos related to your products? Just move to your category e-business and e-marketing, then you can create videos on every product that are listed in your Clickbank account. Let's suppose this is the first product, make money from YouTube with no filming. Just click on that product, and once you have opened up your sales page, you can see that there are a lot of information on the sales page. What you can do, just note down few important lines like what this system is all about, and all you need is to compile that information. You can just write down that information into the Microsoft PowerPoint, or you can use an online software like www.app.com. So just visit the software and create your outlines. Like you can write about this product, what is youtubesecrets.com. It is actually a product, make money from YouTube with no marketing, no filming and no website. Choose from millions of done for you visitors and make them yours. Start making money with no experience or any technical knowledge whatsoever. Receive regular payments by check or wire transfer directly to your bank account. So you can just create your outlines in this app, and once you are completed with 8 to 10 outlines, now it's time to record your video. You can use different softwares for this purpose. Personally, I am using Camtasia.com. You can just move to the Camtasia, and this is the software that I am using. However, you can also use Filmora, and there is a one free software that is Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic. So this is the software. It will actually, what this software do, these three softwares, if you just using anyone, these softwares will record your desktop. Whatever you are doing on your desktop, this software will record your desktop, and you need to add your microphone with the laptop. So whatever you are voicing over on your video, it will also be recorded in your video. Just like I am doing, creating my own videos. I do not need to show my face. I do not need to do some extra stuff. All I need is to record my desktop, and then I am just recording my voiceover on those videos. So whatever I am doing in the form of desktop or in the form of voiceover, it gets recorded in those softwares. So at the end, you will come up with a video. So this is how you can create videos. This is the most simplest form of videos you can create for your YouTube channel. If you wanted to show your face, you can also show your face. Once you get a video, all you need is to upload your video into your YouTube channel. This is the upload section, upload video. From here, you can upload your video. Once it get uploaded, you just be taken to the section where you need to provide some basic information about your video. This is where you can do YouTube SEO or your video SEO. This is really important. Let's suppose if I show you how you can write your title or how you can add your tags, so make your website a lot more better. So this is the section. All you need is to add your title here. You should add your catchy title. You need to paste your 300 to 500 words description, and these are your tags. You must need to use tags like you have a option of 500 words, and once you're done up with all this, here you have to add your customized thumbnail. I am using canva.com. Just move to the software Canva. You can create your thumbnail from the Canva, and once you are finished with your thumbnail, add that thumbnail into that section, and then you can make your video public. That's how you can upload your videos onto your YouTube channel. If you just do it on a consistent manner, you will start seeing massive results over a few months period. Some people just get demotivated after uploading 15 to 20 videos. Keep remember that this is a competition. There is a lot of competition in YouTube. You can only get out of this competition by consistently performing or consistently producing videos for your YouTube channel. This is where only those people get successful who are using this strategy. I recommend you to just wait for 6 to 8 months. This is where you will start seeing massive results. And once you create your videos, all you need is to take your affiliate link from the Clickbank, from that section here, promote, and you will get your affiliate link from the account nickname. Once you get logged into your account, you will see a nickname here. Click on generate hop links. So it will provide you a hop link. That hop link you can use and paste it into the YouTube description box. So everyone who watch your video and take action and use your affiliate link and buy that product, you will earn affiliate commission. You can also shorten that link to make your link much pretty. So even some people do not prefer to use those long links, so you can also use link shorteners like bit.ly to shorten your links, and thereafter you can paste that link into the description box. So that's how you can do all the stuff in your YouTube channel. Once you do it on a consistent manner, you will start seeing massive growth over the period of time, and it will improve month after month, month after month. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.